just finished feeding Theo, and I'm actually going to start the oven because we are going to give him his very first food today. He's gonna try some sweet potato. We are going to try baby-led weaning. That's the plan. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, I will show you when he eats his first food in a little bit. Are you ready for your first food? Huh? Are you ready for it? Oh, are you gonna try some sweet potato? Yeah? Some sweet potato? What do you think? Yeah. Sweet potatoes are done. Hey, it's okay. Dad's gonna bring you food. It's way yummier than my finger. What is it, Cola? What is that? Huh? Oh my gosh, what's that taste like? Huh? What does that taste like? Is that yummy? Are you gonna try that one? No. Not so much. Here you go. How about some avocado? What do you think? You want some avocado? Yum! It's slimy, huh? Is that slimy in your hands? Yeah? You got it? You got it? Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Hi, I'm 6 months old. Can you say hi, I'm 6 months old today? Yeah. Yeah. He just got up from his nap. Our schedule's all kinds of crazy today. But this guy is 6 months old today. He's officially half of a year. Alright, are you ready for a late night lunch? Oh, are you gonna take over vlogging? Okay, let's eat. Let's eat. Okay, dude. Let's try another food. What do you say? What do you say? We need a tray if we're gonna eat, right? What is she doing? This lady is just doing it all wrong. Is Mama doing it all wrong? Are you ready to try banana? Do you want to eat the banana? Hum, num, num. Goes right in your mouth. Hum, num, num. It's yummy. It's yummy. Yeah. It's yummy, don't you think? Huh? Okay, banana puree. What do you think? Does that look good? Does that look good? What do you think? Dude, it's not that gross. Dude, it's just banana. No, you're not into banana today? Okay. Wait, we can try again. We can try again tomorrow, okay? You saw that we tried sweet potato, avocado, and banana, and none of them were great. He barely ate any. He like tasted the sweet potato and kind of the avocado, and then the banana, I decided to try to mash it up, and then I mixed in some breast milk, hoping that maybe that familiar taste would give him, I don't know, just like a little more incentive to try it or just like it more, but that was not the case. And then today, this morning, we had his 6-month doctor's appointment, and I was talking to his pediatrician about it, and she was like, don't worry about it. He can have just milk or formula for the first year anyway, so trying solids and eating is not that big of a deal, but she did say maybe just try purees of like apples, pears, or sweet potatoes first and have him get used to something more liquidy, because all he's ever had is liquid, and then after that start to do more of like the baby led weaning thing. So I think I might try that. Our schedule is totally messed up again today. I feel like I'm just gonna keep saying that for like the next month because we have a lot going on, but because of his doctor's appointment, it was during his first nap time. He fell asleep for like 10 minutes in the car on the way there and on the way back. And then I got home and it took me so long to get him down. So I think I might let him sleep for longer than his normal time if he stays asleep. He's like moving around right now. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully he will sleep, but when he got his 4-month shots, he was like out for the count and he just would not eat after them, and then he puked and it wasn't fun, and he had a low-grade fever. So I'm thinking that might be the case tonight as well. She said it'll be pretty similar to those, so we'll see. We'll keep an eye on him for the next like a day or so. It's so sad seeing them cry when they get shots. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. So we got a Peloton like maybe a week and a half ago or so. Adam had been looking for one for a while and we got it on Facebook Marketplace. It was like 5 months old or something, came with all of the accessories and stuff still in the packaging, and like it was in really, really good shape. So yeah, he's been looking for a while and really wanted one. So when we saw the deal, he just pulled the trigger on it. So he's been doing it, but I don't have the clip-in shoes for it. I wanted to test it out before I decided if I wanted to get the shoes, but I've done like 2 workouts so far just in my regular sneakers, and I think I am gonna get shoes. So I like it, but I'm wondering, for any of you that have one, how long did it take you for your butt to get used to it? I have noticed that as soon as I'm on it, that's all I'm thinking about because I'm in so much pain, and I just don't know, like, how long is this gonna take? Is this like 2 months? Oh man. He's awake. Anyway, leave a comment below if you have a Peloton and you've gone through this and you know, let me know what I'm in for, because if it's like, I don't know, 3 weeks, like I can suffer through it. But if this is like a 3-month thing, I'm not sure I'm up for paying for that long.
First time I ever saw you, I fell in love when you entered the room.
So he ended up sleeping on me for like almost an hour. I just figured, I mean, I have things I need to do, but I will never say no to snuggles with him, and I knew that he needed the sleep, so I just, yeah, had him sleep on me. But do you want to tell him how you did at the doctor today? Do you want to tell him how you did? Can you say I'm almost 27 inches long? Yeah, and I'm 15 pounds and 12 ounces. Dude, I literally just changed my shirt. I changed my sweatshirt maybe 3 minutes ago because he spit up on me. This is what he did last time he had his shots. He just spit up constantly. Hold please. It somehow missed my sweatshirt this time, which I'm very thankful for. I just put a load of laundry in full of like basically every top I've worn for the past week has spit up on it. So I ended up putting him in jammies because he's already been through 2 outfits today and it's 3 o'clock. I figured it was time for jammies. These ones are so cute. They just say, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. That's what they say. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Yeah, so I think these ones are adorable. I actually have, they're from Target, and I have a swaddle that is in black and white that also has this pattern that just says I love you a million times, and it's just, it's the cutest. Anyway, I am waiting for the mail to come because his next Literati, is that what it's called? Yeah, Literati subscription box is being delivered today. And if you missed my gift guide for baby, I mentioned it. My mom got it for Theo for Christmas, and it's a book subscription. I'll show it to you when we get it today, but I'm excited to see what books they have in it this month. And I have a couple of other packages coming in, and I don't know what 2 of them are, so it's gonna be like a fun surprise, hopefully. Yeah. Do you think maybe my new driver's license will come? Maybe. I finally went and Switched my name on my driver's license a couple of weeks ago, so I'm waiting for that to come in the mail too, which is gonna be so weird. If you have gotten married and changed your name, it is just like the most bizarre thing ever to be one name for almost 35 years and then change it. Are you excited to see what's in here? Okay, so first up, a print. This says Thankful Hearts. And then some This Book Belongs to stickers. Okay. We've got Sparkle Go Seek Dinosaurs, Lift the Flap. Who goes chomp, chomp, chomp? I'm a hungry dinosaur. That is very cool. So we'll read that one. We got another bath book, Peekaboo in the Ocean. Who's there? Dolphin splashing. We got Old MacDonald Had a Farm. You want to see this one? What do you think of that one? And then lastly we got Cluck and Moo. Anyway, it comes with 5 books every month and you can read them and then send back whatever you don't want. So we're trying to be really picky with it because obviously I think my mom got it for a year, so we don't need 60 books. We already have a lot of books. So we read them. If they're good, we'll keep them. If they're like really good, if they're not, then we will send them back. And then it comes with a print and like This Book Belongs to stickers. And then in here, there's a prepaid shipping label and it even has a piece of tape. Like you don't need to do anything. You literally just close the box up, take the piece of tape out, put the shipping label on it and you're done. So it's super easy to ship back. And I think you have like 7 days or something. We got a bath book last month and Theo loves it. It changes colors when it gets wet. So you can see it's really, really cool. So we loved that one. Maybe we'll keep this one too, we will see. Anyway, I feel like that is such a fun gift idea, and you put in how old the child is so you get books that are based on their age. The other thing we got in the mail was our Christmas cards, which I'm very excited about. We ordered from Simply to Impress. Jays. But I haven't ordered from there before, so I wasn't sure like what the quality would be like, but I think they turned out really cute. So the quality is really good. It's a nice quality. The back does say Simply to Impress because I didn't pay to have something else on the back. I figured just the front picture with our names on it would be fine. But yeah, they seem like good quality. And then they did come with the envelopes, so we need to address those and get those sent out. And then the last package was an SB supply order, so I'm not gonna unbox that here. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm sure that this is like the most random vlog ever, but it's Vlogmas and I guess that's just how it goes. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and we will see you hopefully tomorrow. Can you say bye, guys? Can you say bye? Bye. Bye-bye, I'll see you later. Bye-bye, I'll see you later.